In this video, we're going to take a look at the CSI sock puppet. Now, CSI does have a sock puppet generator built into it, which is awesome. We took a look at other ways we can create sock puppets, but let's take a look at the one built into CSI Linux. So, of course, I'm in my CSI Linux instance here. I'm going to click on Linux up here. I'm going to go to OSINT and Online Investigations. Then I'm going to scroll down here to Sock Puppet Builder. So I'm click on this and it's going to generate a random sock puppet. So it gives us a name, Jose Caraballo, a title, sex, age, date of birth, nationality, country, city, state. It gives us a postal code, and it also gives us a Google map, which is awesome. A street number, street name, last known location. Again, it gives us a nice Google map location, latitude, longitude. Places that are sock puppet visited, phone number, cell phone number, an example email, along with an example username and password, which is great. So that's really cool stuff. And an MD5, SHA-1, 256 hash. So it builds a very quick sock puppet for us. And when I close it, let me exit out of here, this image viewer. It creates these templates for us for the sock puppets also, which is great. It's really cool. So if I click on the sock puppet I just created here, and this is under Home, CSI, Cases, Sock Puppets. It has all my sock puppets in there that it generated. It has all this information in here. So name, sex, it builds a dossier page for me, and I could put my little headshot in there. So, really cool way to generate sock puppets if you don't want to go through a more manual process like I showed before. This is another option you could use to quickly generate sock puppets. So, very cool. We have locations, history, and whatnot. This is built in the CSI Linux, and it builds a nice little profile page for you also, so you remember what your sock puppet looks like and all the information that you need to possibly need to use right away. So very, very handy. Again, this is built into CSI Linux, or of course we could generate our own. So it's good to have options. And this was using CSI sock puppets. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.